Randy Kern with another tip for becoming a conflict-competent fire officer. Develop conflict norms. Let me share a story to illustrate the power of developing conflict norms. I was a nurse at a medical camp called Boggy Creek. This camp was specially designed for kids with ailments, and the week I was there was cardiac week. We started off with the typical saying goodbye to the parents, and then we got down to business. The counselor I was with gave the kids a pad of paper and pencil and said, "Write out your rules for the week." We went outside and waited. I was shocked when I read those rules. I expected things like, have fun, let's not have rules. But that's not what happened. The kids had rules that were way stricter than I would ever put on them. Many of these kids have never been away from camp, and all of them had medical cardiac conditions. They had rules of no horseplay, making their bed, no cussing. They had very strict rules. But now that I say that, that wasn't the magic. The magic was when they broke those rules. They're kids. They broke some rules. But what happened next was awesome. They self-regulated. I didn't have to talk to a single kid that week for breaking the rules that were stricter than the rules I would have written. The takeaway: develop conflict norms with your crews. Ask them, hey, we're going to have conflict. How do you want to handle it? When they buy into the rules, they will self-regulate. Once you develop those rules, keep them alive. Visit them. Change them as you need them. That's my tip for today. Develop conflict norms. I'm Randy Kern. Visit me at www.randykern.com. That's Randy Kern, Kern.com.